Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs! Imagine if I told you there's a super simple way to get started with ClickBank affiliate marketing and make your first $100 online. You don't need a website, you don't need to create any content, and you definitely don't need any technical experience. Best of all, it only takes around 10 minutes a day. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive into it. Welcome back to my channel, where I talk all about making money online, passive income, and building your online business. Today, I've got a game changer for you. Alright, so here's the deal. The secret to making money with ClickBank without a website is all about leveraging free, highly targeted traffic. And how do you get this traffic? By simply answering questions. Yup, that's right. Answering questions on platforms like Quora and Reddit can drive a ton of interested people to your ClickBank offers. Step 1. Sign up for a ClickBank account if you haven't already. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Next, find a product to promote. Look for ones with a high gravity score, which means they're popular and converting well. Step 2. Head over to Quora or Reddit. Search for questions related to the product you're promoting. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, look for questions about losing weight or getting in shape. Step 3. Provide valuable, genuine answers. No hard selling. Just share useful information and casually mention the product you're promoting. Include your ClickBank affiliate link in a natural way. That's it. By consistently doing this for just 10 minutes a day, you'll start seeing traffic to your ClickBank offers and hopefully those commissions rolling in. So get out there and start answering those questions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Catch you in the next one. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take yours today.